Hi there, welcome to our channel CTech. In this video, we will talk about how to withdraw crypto from Gemini to Coinbase. So for this, first of all, go to Gemini and from there click on transfer. Now click on withdraw from Gemini. So once you click, this interface will open. Now select the currency. I will choose Bitcoin here and then click on continue. Now here you need to add a transfer to. So for this, go to Coinbase and from there you need to copy the address of the wallet. So for this, I go to Coinbase and from here click on send and receive. As you click on it, now here click on receive and from there click on copy address. So the address will be copied. As you can see, the currency is set to Bitcoin. Now press Ctrl plus V so the address will be pasted. Now enter the amount that you want to send. So once you enter the amount, then click on continue and click on request withdrawal. So in this way, you can withdraw crypto from Gemini to Coinbase. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.